Hello everyone and welcome to day 85 of the 1000 days of no code challenge. Did you know that weak passwords are one of the most common reasons for accounts getting hacked? And that's why it's important to guide our users to create strong passwords. One way to do this is by guiding the users in real time as they type as to what is their password strength, thereby enabling them to add stronger passwords. In today's video, we will see how do we set up a password strength indicator in our Bubble app. This feature helps user set strong password and improves security. So let's get started. So to understand about password strength, we can use text, which will basically show us what is the password strength. Whenever you make any input field as password, you get in return the password strength. If you search for password, input register passwords, password strength, right? And this value will range from 0 to 100. Let's quickly check this. When I put 1, you can see the password strength is 10, 2, 3, 4, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 has a password strength of 0. I add 5, it becomes 10. Okay, I'll add some special characters. You can see it starts increasing. I'll add some capital letter, small letter, and you can see that the password strength is 100. It will not go beyond 100, like whatever you add. Password strength is a number between 0 to 100. Okay, we can make it look nicer with some conditions. We can show it like password strength, and we will show whether it is very weak, medium, strong, very strong. Okay, so we will divide this from 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, and 80 to 100. Yeah, so input register passwords, password strength. So we can clear this entire thing and we can say password strength very weak. We'll go to condition and we will use the input register passwords, password strength is greater than 20. Then the text can be just weak. Remember, the conditions will go from top to bottom. So we will use different conditions, and if it is greater than 40, then the strength is medium. Paste one more and make this as greater than 60. This can be strong. We'll paste one more, which is if it is greater than 80, then it is very strong. Okay, so let's quickly check this. I can see it is weak because it is less than 20, or by default it is very weak. I'll add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, you can see that it has turned to medium. So I'm adding 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So from very weak, so when I add 1, 2, 3, 4, it stays very weak. If I add one special character, it goes to weak. When I add one text character, it became medium. If I add a couple of more text characters, it became strong. When I add a capital letter, it becomes very strong. So basically with combination of small characters, capital letters, numbers, special characters, and all of this, the password strength can be very strong, right? Bubble calculates this internally and gives a value which ranges from 0 to 100. And then we can condition it to show if it is very weak, medium, strong, or very strong based on the number. We can also add color coding to this. Okay, so for that, let's change the background style to flat color. And by default, this is okay, I guess. And font color can be like red, okay, which is very weak. And let's make it similar to this one, which is 250. So let me just go ahead and make this as 250. Now we can go to conditions, and for weak we can change the background color to switch it on to check how it looks. So basically we need something slightly lighter than this one. So we go over here and change this, and then make a lighter shade of that. With font color also be slightly like this. Okay, we go to the next one, which is medium. We can give orangish. So background color be something like this, and the font color. So you can check if this is okay. This is not looking great, so let's make this even lighter. and this one even darker. So similarly, we can do it for strong. Background color, let's say greenish, and the font color, you can on this to check how it looks. This is okay, and very strong. We can make us background color light and the font color dark. Switch on to check how it looks. Okay, so we will go on the preview mode to check how this looks. It's very weak by default, and then we add some characters, some more, some more, and a few more to make it very strong. You can show the password strength along with color coding, so the user gets a feel of how strong their password is. And now you know how to set a password strength indicator in your application. With this, we have strengthened not just the password, but also the overall security and the user experience of the app. It's a small feature that makes a big difference, encouraging better password practices. In the next video, we will take things a step further by implementing password policy, thereby ensuring all users follow strong password guidelines. Till then, try this out on your own app, and I will see you in the next one.